Yo, I'm back, guys. What's up? We're finna be getting on this little Gangstar New Orleans.
Gangsta. New Orleans. That's my computer. What the fuck? Oh, I'm sorry for being
I'm gonna let y'all know this one anyway.
Yeah, y'all finna get some smash.
So yeah, we are back.
Green Lantern versus references.
What?
I realized I became better than you.
So you trying to call me? Bet. I'm straight up gonna start dying laughing at that. No. I don't know how long this is recorded. Freak. Mother.
I would play my game all day.
What? I'm sorry, guys. I'm out of technical difficulties here. I lied. I apologize, y'all. I thought it was gonna work this time. Yeah, I'm about to go right back to Roblox. I'm sorry. But I love y'all. But I'm sorry. You can't resist Roblox. They're cool with new updates. Come on, man.
Joe already got a new update?
Yep.
What is it?
A new race circuit, a new police baton, and then they have something else that has a purple orb around it, I think.
I need to play that first.
Me too.
Probably do it tomorrow.
I wish we had so much free
It
time.
would be cool if we put it on the Switch. It would be really fire.
You got on Android, I think Apple.
Yeah, I know Android. It's not the same. I'm not
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. On this one, I apologize. I was trying to go live on YouTube. So I'm about to play some music in the background for y'all guys that's probably watching this video. I hope y'all can hear this. I don't even care for that. So yeah, guys, I'm back. It's been a long time since I've been on Roblox, bruh. I'm gonna be a little bit kind of rusty. Wait, yeah. Wait, hold on, I just realized something. If this is a police officer, he eject all of us out and get all of us in one row. What are you doing? What are you doing? I swear to God, if you arrest me, you motherfucker, or kill me, I'm sorry. I apologize. Please don't do no trolls with us. Please don't troll us. Please don't troll no. Please don't troll us. I swear to God, you troll us.
gotta change myself. I like going around, but it's
Jump out. That was silly, but at least I escaped. I'm going straight to the hospital. I'm out, y'all. I'm out. They got a new. I'm about to show us that they got a new tunnel now. Wait, they got a new vehicle. Oh, I'm about to show us that. Y'all want to see something very, very funny? Hey. They're gonna be right there in the corner, 0.
oh, that big kick.
No one understands. Mom and Dad and Vicky always give you one the mouse. Hey. To be honest, they need a dealership on here instead of us having to go to the garage. Like they can have the garage, but they need to have the dealership in here, so that way we can actually like go there and buy our own cars and stuff. Instead of have to try to find one that is our price. Our price range, and then they'll make it actually like feel like a little actual city. NASA, huh? Thank you. Do they update it to the point where like it actually has some words on top of the city? Yeah. Drifting, but ow, 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 ow. I found a briefcase. That's why I said ow, 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 like that. I was gonna get my Tesla, but no. Yo, friendly, bro. I'm on YouTube, bro. Come on now. Imagine if I posted on YouTube and like they take my whole channel down because of that. I swear I'll be raged out my mind. You wanna play Smash, Mark? I asked him. Smash. Alright, you didn't want to play Smash. 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 Mark, stop acting like Mr. Lawrence now. Mr. Lawrence Jr. Yeah, y'all see me with the drifts. Yeah. Been practicing a little bit. And watch this. Ooh, somebody got a nice car out here. Ooh, and he left the keys in the whip. Yeah, we on you. Let's see how they car handle. Oh yeah. Oh shoot! Somebody coming right behind me. Oh, never mind the Tron. That's the bike. That's the real bike I really want. On GTA Online, I really want that. I will put my name from Xbox onto here into the description below. They really got the Pokemon Trap remix in this mode. Yeah, boy. I'm just doing this for y'all today. I forgot all about these roads, man. Wait, they actually added more roads. I just realizing that. Because right here, they stuff used to be cut off. They added more streets on here now. You know what I'm saying? They added more streets, a little bit more areas to go. I'm about to start exploring this map a little bit more now. So that way I can actually like go to different. What? Mark, no. They need to add one more part to this.
Bitch, I said, Suzanne, shut your stupid ass up.
I didn't even say anything. Now, I was gonna pause this video and do some bad things, but I'm trying to change my life around from that.
Oh yeah, that's very interesting.
I love you too, Mark.
Damn it.
If this is a bizarre world, I'll say something else.
Oh yeah, that's very interesting.
Very interesting. All right.
Oh, Rock is Black Adam?
Yeah, the Rock is black.
How the fuck the Rock is Black Adam?
Yeah.
I didn't do that. How the fuck the Rock is Black Adam? Oh, yeah. The Rock is Black Adam? No, for real. I know that.
Wait, don't tell me this is the freaking.
For real, I'm dead serious. I'm dead serious, man. Star Labs? What the hell?
Alright, I'm about to drift for y'all one time before the video ends. I feel like it's gonna end soon. So yeah. Gotta hit that nice drift for y'all. Sorry, that car got in my way. I apologize. That was not nice for y'all. So don't unsubscribe because of that drift. Alright. 3, 2, 1, 0. Drifting mode. Oh my god. If this was real life, I'd have been in total. What? How did that car hit me that hard and made me going this fast? I mean, this far. And like, it didn't even hit me that hard. It just bumped me. That car gotta be mud. Because, like, in real life, this stuff, like, in this game, this stuff would not be happening. And they still haven't done anything with this. It's been one full freaking year that they ain't even like do anything to this. That's what they really need to be focusing on. Like making that a tunnel into a new city where there's more stuff, like a little police in the middle, and then like more places to rob, like jewelry stores, the bank a little bit more. Then have actual. I seen blue light. I seen the blue light. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this today. Nope. No. Nope. You thought you had a kid. You thought you had a kid. You thought you had me. You thought you had me. Now get away. Now get away. Now get away. Now get away. Now drive. Drive. Right now. Oh God. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Be out you.
Hey, chill out.
Frick.